Let's get to our other top story right now. Clayton County police officer in critical condition after police say a suicidal woman shot her. Clayton County police say that they have a social worker to respond to mental health calls, but the family says the social worker never showed up when they called 911 3 separate times. 11 Alive's Don White spoke with the woman's family about their concerns.
Clayton County police here tell me Officer D'Amica Lloyd has been with the department for a year and a half. Records show she had 2 hours of suicide prevention training earlier this year. New security camera video from a Clayton County family shows police responding 3 times to their home last night as Ayanna Pryor threatened to commit suicide. The family feels the first male officer didn't understand the severity of the situation.
When someone calls you to their place of residence and say, hey, my family member isn't right, it should not be dismissed.
The family says Officer D'Amica Lloyd and EMTs responded the second time. The video shows the EMTs leaving after the family says Pryor refused help. Minutes later, the family says Officer Lloyd returned by herself after police received a third 911 call. Video shows the officer rushing Pryor in a yard as Pryor holds something in her hand. We paused the video before Officer Lloyd was shot.
You saw her with a gun on her waist. In the mental state she's in, but you still jump on her.
Investigators say Pryor left in her SUV and went to Atlanta, where she was injured in a shootout with police. The family wants to know why a mental health expert was never sent to their home earlier in the night.
If you would have went about the situation in the right way, you wouldn't even, this would have never happened.
I reached out to Clayton County Police, but they had no comment at this time to the family's concerns. In Jonesboro, Dawn White, 11 Alive News.
Our 11 Alive News investigators have looked into what other cities are actually doing to better respond to mental health calls and crises out there, and if those tactics could be replicated in Metro Atlanta. You can watch that story on 11alive.com.